And the hair looks so natural, like I'm not even gonna lie to you.
So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you guys today this raw Indian curly wig, y'all. This is the most beautiful hair ever. This is also a HD lace frontal with 4C edge baby hairs. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this video, and let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay y'all, so I know I got a lot going on this counter, but I just bleached the knots on this wig, so I'm gonna let it sit for like maybe, I don't know, I always just look at the front of the wig, and then that's when I start to see, okay, is it looking like scalp? No, not yet. Okay, and yeah, that's when I just wait a little while longer to see how everything takes, and it looks like it is coming up the roots or whatever, but I didn't mean to do all that. But anyways, what I used was the BW2, and also I used this Clairol, hopefully I'm saying it right, 40 developer. And you know, the higher the developer is, the more it'll set faster. And I have a 21, but I just didn't want to, it takes too long for 20. And this is what I used it in. I used the ghetto way method because I cannot find my hair stuff. But anyways, I used this spoon, and I just used the back of the spoon to apply just like so. And that's pretty much it, y'all. And I literally did not have enough developer, but it I had enough to spread it across, so I have to buy some more. I'm gonna buy the big jug. I don't know, I ran out, and yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this little clip of what I did so far of bleaching the knots. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to bleach the knots. Sometimes some wigs don't even need the knots to be bleached. But also I weighted the hair, and this is the type of curl pattern that is given right now. It's more so like, I forgot the name, the type of curl this is, but I will definitely link it below and also add it into the video to let y'all know what type of curl pattern this is. But it's definitely going to be more so the middle part wig or whatever, and I'm gonna just go with the flow and just try to, like, you know, style it as I go, but y'all will see that. Okay y'all, so I washed the wig and I just have it sitting up on top of my door, and I'm just trying to let it dry. This is what it's looking like. The curls have not officially all came in just yet, but we're gonna see what this wig is working with, okay? All right y'all, so I'm finally ready to install this unit, because y'all, I've been ready to put it on, see what it's talking about, what it's looking like. And yeah, I have it right here. It's a raw Indian curly type of curl, and it is a middle part wig. So I'm just ready to just put it on. These curls are so beautiful. Look at them. Oh my god. Okay, so let's get into it. Y'all know I always like to cut my lace before I actually put it on my head, but this time I'm gonna try something different and go with the flow. But I don't want to try nothing different, because what if I cut the baby hairs? All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the lace.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna, bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water, got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman.
All right, so the extra lace is officially off, so we can go ahead and apply this to my head. And yeah, did I say we? I mean me. Also y'all, let me show y'all before I do that, after bleaching the knots or whatever, I kind of bleached a little bit too much right in here, so I'm gonna just take some mascara at the top of it and just blend out that extra color, as y'all see. But I'll show y'all that part. Okay, so I'm trying to just place it. It has a band in the back as well, so it's kind of more easier to just put it on and go. It honestly feel like it don't even need to be like, look at this y'all. Do y'all not see how the lace is already looking like scalp? Look at this y'all, I'm so serious. Other than this part right here, it's looking like scalp, and I might just go ahead and cut this little piece off. But yes y'all, it's looking in this piece too, because I don't want that there. I feel like it's really pointless.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that.
But yeah y'all, it's looking like scalp, literally scalp. Okay, so let me run and get the mascara, because it's throwing me off with this lace. All right, so let's get into this wig, okay? So hopefully y'all can really see the quality of the video is giving. I have a new camera on the way, so if this isn't per se your liking, or y'all see other hair videos, I don't try to be like other people. I try to make my videos different, if that makes sense. But anyways, let's get into this. So the first thing, let me just show y'all everything that I will be using for this type of unit, for this type of raw Indian curly type of wig. Okay, so I have a spray bottle, and inside this spray bottle, it's kind of like bluish, but I put water and a little bit of mousse into this, so like when I do spray down on my hair, it's also giving that defined locked in curl, if that makes sense, because of the mousse. All right, and I also do have mousse itself. This is the whole, what is it, Lot of Body brand, and I like to use this one. This is my favorite one. It smells so good. So yeah, this is my favorite one. And I also have some hair oil. This is Moisture Miracle, and you can find this literally at any drugstore, like Walmart, Walgreens, Target. They have this type of oil, and I've heard nothing but good things about this oil, so y'all should try it out. I already used my razor to cut the lace, and I have my Wonder Bun. Y'all got to have that, and that's what I'm gonna lay my lace down with. But as you can kind of see, it doesn't even look like I need to lay the lace down. If anything, just cut off these little pieces, which I do have scissors here to go ahead and trim that off. Also, I have concealer. Y'all, we need concealer for the, it's already giving scalp, but you know, just adding a little bit of concealer, just gonna, you know, top it off. And last but not least, I have, well, I do have brush and a comb, but last but not least, I have this mascara. Like I showed you, y'all see where it's like really blondish right there? I'm gonna just take the concealer and just brush over that. But yeah, so that's pretty much all the stuff that you would need, or I would need, for doing this type of hair tutorial. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so I do want to go ahead and just cut off a little bit more. Where's my clamps? In the bathroom. I do not feel like getting up to go get them. Okay, I'm gonna just make it work. But anyways, I'm gonna just cut off a little bit more of this lace, because it's giving, it's showing on the side, and I don't like that. Yeah, there we go. All right, same from over here. All right, and y'all can kind of see it gives its own baby hair. Let me show y'all the baby hair that it's giving. Gosh, y'all, look at this. It's like scalp for real. I did a good job with this purchase. Most of this right here is the baby hair that they had already left out, which is unique. It's different. You would definitely need a tie down. I forgot to tell y'all that. I will just spray on top of the wig, but I don't want to do that per se. All right, y'all, so I got the Wonder Bun, and I'm gonna just spray on the areas that I know it needs to be laid down, because the whole thing, to me, honestly, don't need, you just don't need it. My thoughts. But I do the whole thing just for the sake of the video, to make sure everything sticks, lays down like it needs to be. So we're gonna go ahead and take this tie down, my favorite tie down. But yeah, just go ahead and tie down what you just sprayed on, which was the lace, and just give it, let it, I say give it like 10 minutes to, you know, get tacky and stick. But while that is doing that, I want to go ahead and just kind of like wet some of the hair. I kind of don't, because it's already giving the curls that I do love. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just go ahead and wet the hair.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you.
Okay, so we don't let it set. And y'all, my lip gloss is gone. I was eating some more chicken. Oh Lord, it was so good. It was so good, because I'm already hungry. Okay, all right, so getting into this hair, it is just so beautiful. I love curly hair. All right, so okay, so we laid the lace down, whoop de whoop. Now I'm just like trying to, you know, make the edges look more presentable. Just trying to get the hair to like not stick to my forehead. So just trying to like pull it back, get that, you know. My light just died, y'all. I'm so sorry. All right, but yeah, just trying to make it look more natural. All right, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure the part is straight, how I like it, how I want it. Yeah, that's it right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some mascara and take it on top of the blonde that you see. Honey blonde, whatever color it is, and just gently brush, gently. My mama taught me this. My mama, she used to do her hair like everybody's hair actually, and she taught me this method, and this was like years ago before anybody else started doing it, and I was just like, oh my gosh, that's very smart, Mom. But God rest my mama's soul, she passed in 2014. But that's one of the techniques that I actually have learned from her when it comes to hair. And you feel like you got some hair that is over bleached or whatever the case may be, definitely can go into that. All right, so I'm just gonna pull some of the hair back now. I would do the baby hairs, but I don't feel like I'll need baby hairs with this hair. What y'all think? Okay, we can do the baby hairs. All right, so with this method, I kind of don't want to do this. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to see. I had to change the scenery because I really needed to see. It's like I need to be in my bathroom to do my hair. I can't just be sitting somewhere in the house trying to do my hair because I be needing to see what's what. And just apply. This is 20-inch. I understand people like want to do baby hairs and stuff like that with these type of wigs, but I feel like, look at this hair. Look at this scalp. You don't need to do anything. You already see like a little couple baby hairs that's already like curly or whatever. You don't have to do anything to this wig, literally. And I love this hair. So I got this hair from Alibaba, y'all. So y'all gotta go and check Alibaba out because y'all, this is an amazing wig. Now let me go get into some light so y'all can really see what it's really giving. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look of this hair. So all I did was, as y'all see, I decided not to add no baby hairs. And it's a different day. I'm sorry. But it's the same. I didn't even do nothing to the wig, but I decided not to add no baby hairs. I feel like this is definitely a glueless wig. But I also love the curls and how like right now it's getting dry, as y'all can kind of see over here, and it's just gonna become really poofy. That's just what it do. That's what it is. I like both textures, the curls, the everything is soft. It don't shed a lot. I just like the hair in general, and the hair looks so natural. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is like some nice looking hair. Now if you want to continue to have that wet look, girl, just get you a little spray bottle and just spray it as you go. That's the best way. That's all I know to tell you. I think I might go and buy the longer. This is really cute, and it's only a middle part. So yeah, I just like this hair, and I just thought it was cute, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Hopefully y'all like this video. I'm officially done. Love this hair, y'all. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye, y'all.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.